Welcome to the intersection of aerospace technology and athletic performance. Today we witness the birth of a machine that defies gravity, the ultralight carbon bike. The journey begins with rolls of pre-preg carbon fiber kept in sub-zero storage. Each strand is an engineering miracle, a filament thinner than a human hair, but stronger than steel. Automated blades cut the fabric into a jigsaw puzzle of hundreds of precise pieces. Every piece is mapped for a specific purpose, some for stiffness, others for comfort. The layup process is a masterclass in patience as carbon is placed into a steel mold. At the bottom bracket, extra layers are added to handle the massive power of a pro sprinter. This isn't just a frame. It's a complex weave of various carbon grades tailored for speed. A silicone bladder is inserted, the key to shaping the frame from the inside out. The two halves of the steel mold meet, locking the carbon into its aerodynamic silhouette. Tons of pressure are applied as the mold is prepared for the high-frequency oven. Step into the autoclave, where heat and pressure transform soft cloth into solid armor. Internal air pressure inflates the bladder, crushing the carbon layers together. CGI view. Under intense heat, the resin melts, fusing the filaments into a unified structure. Vitrification occurs as the chemical bonds lock, creating a frame with zero wasted energy. Precision sensors monitor the bake. A single degree of deviation could ruin the structure. The mold emerges, cooled rapidly to stabilize the newly formed carbon skeleton. The moment of truth. The mold opens to reveal a raw, futuristic masterpiece. The internal bladder is removed, leaving a hollow, incredibly lightweight core. Skilled hands remove the flash, the small remnants of the high-pressure molding process. CNC machines drill mounting points with surgical accuracy to preserve structural integrity. Every gram of dust is removed, leaving the carbon surface clean and ready for testing. Quality control is brutal. The frame must endure loads that would snap metal. 500 kilograms of force attempt to flex the frame, but the carbon remains unyielding. The digital readout confirms perfection. Maximum stiffness, minimum weight. A chemical bath prepares the surface, ensuring the paint bonds at a molecular level. Robots apply a primer layer so thin it's measured in microns to save weight. Hand sanding provides the smooth finish required for elite-level aerodynamics. Decals are applied by hand, the final identity of this racing machine. A high-gloss clear coat is the final shield, protecting the carbon from UV rays. The finish is like glass, revealing the raw beauty of the carbon weave beneath. In the assembly room, high-end components wait to meet their new home. Ceramic bearings are pressed in, designed for a lifetime of frictionless rotation. Every bolt is torqued to exact Newton meters to protect the delicate carbon fibers. The cockpit is integrated, hiding every cable from the wind for maximum speed. Internal routing is an art form, keeping the bike's silhouette clean and fast. Wireless shifting is synced. Electricity now controls the mechanical heart. The crankset is installed, the bridge between the rider's power and the road. State-of-the-art drivetrains provide lightning-fast gear changes under load. The chain is the final link in this high-performance energy circuit. Carbon wheels are hand-tensioned, creating a wheel set that spins up instantly. Ceramic hubs ensure that no watt of energy is lost to friction. Tubeless technology is seated, providing a puncture-resistant grip on the tarmac. The final weigh-in is the ultimate test of the manufacturing process. At just 6.2 kilograms, this bike is at the absolute limit of what is possible. A final polish ensures the bike is showroom perfect for its first ride. From rolls of fabric to a world-class athlete's dream machine. On the road, the Carbon comes alive, turning every pedal stroke into pure velocity. Stiff for the sprints, yet dampening the vibrations of the toughest roads. This is the gold standard of mass production strength, beauty, and speed. Thousands of these marvels are ready to conquer the most famous climbs in the world. Thanks for watching. This is Mass Production Marvels, built for the win.